Hello everyone, I am Akash. This is the 15th episode of Java tutorial, which is Applet. So let's start. What is Applet? Applet is a graphical user interface based program. It is embedded in web page. Web page means like HTML page or any other web page. When one web page is open in the browser, the Applet bytecode is downloaded and into the client's machine and executed by JVM of the browser. It does not contain any main function. This is the main difference between the application with the applet. That applet contain main function, whereas application contain main function where applet does not contain. Applet is a special type of program that is embedded in the web page to generate the dynamic content. It runs inside the browser and works at client side. In applet have some certain advantage and drawbacks also. The advantages are it works at client side, so less response time. It is a big advantage. So, and second one is secured. Security features is very good in applet in the both the side where the application is executed and where the application is created. In both the side it is very secure, and it is executed by browsers running under many platforms including Linux, Windows, Mac OS, etc. And this is the drawbacks of applet. Plugin is required at client browser to execute applet and take more time for the first time when it starts. This is the difference between applet and application. So first is main method, which is not present in applet, which is present in application. For execution environments, it requires browser like Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, etc. But in application requires only Java runtime environment. Nature requires some third-party tools help to browser to execute calls as standalone application, as application can be executed from command prompt. Security, high security for the system in applet, but there have no require any security in application. Restriction cannot access anything on the system except browser service. Means no input output operation can performed in applet, but input output operation can be performed in application. This is the sixth difference. This is the five. I mistake the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So five main difference between the applet and application. This is a life cycle of applet. There are two components. The first four, init, start, stop, destroy. These are the component of Java applet.applet, and the last one, public void paint graphics G, is a component of Java.awt. AWT stands for abstract windowing toolkit, which is used to graphics by using set backgrounds, paints, draw any pictures. These are useful things in the applet. So public void init is used to initialize the applet. Public void start, it is used to start the applet. Public void stops, it can be to stop the applet. Destroy, to close the applet. And paint is used to paint purpose. Like we can paint this applet, we can draw rectangle, polygon, circle, etc. in the applet. So now I write a code, simple code of applet, how to write the code, and I explain the code as well. So in the example, I create a class known as applet. Please uncheck this public static void main string crgs, because I already told that applet does not contain any main function. Finish. Whenever whenever I write the code this time, please follow this, that in public class applet extends applet, it gives an error because I have to attach import java.applet. Then create public void paint graphics G. Import capital, import java.awt.graphics. This is the components. Now I want to pin some message in applet. Just use, there are lots of function, raw string, three parameters we can pass. First, write the message we want to display. The next int, it will be the numbers, position x-axis wise and x and y-axis wise. First one x-axis wise and second one is y-axis wise. Then it is a simple one programs of applet. Now run the applet, java applet. Okay, and welcome. It will be display here. And these are the function. Whenever click start, root, stop, many other function are there. Another one, I want to change the background. Set background color dot blue. You can change another color also. Now again I execute this program. Thus the color will be changed. Background color will be changed. So these are the some functions we can create by applet. In the next videos I will upload some advanced topics, advanced programmings of applets, how to create a games, how to create many projects, big, minor projects, small or big projects we can create by using applets. So in the next video I will upload this. So that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channels. Thank you.